So I've finished all the caulking here. Everything's all finished all the way around, and I used around about 2.5 cases, so that's 50 tubes to do this, and we've actually gone all the way down to the bottom on all of it, so I'm glad that's finished. So the tip I'm using for this is a low pressure 213. Okay, it's a green one, HEA they are called. So they are HEA, and that's why. Less overspray, and they're pretty good on here. No good inside on the frames, but quite good out here. When you do something like this, same as when you're brushing in, only take in 2 boards or 3 boards, depends on the weather, and that stops you getting that flashing. To keep it wet on wet, that's the big secret, and it's the same as painting weatherboards. Just take 2 boards, bring them all the way through, another 2 boards all the way through, and aim your gun underneath that bottom edge. That's where you really need it. So this is my setup, my Wagner 3.21 Pro Spray, and the Ryobi 2000 watts, so 2 kilowatts, 1600 running watts,